Okay, for all you people that think Opillu don't come in, look at all that. That's all the huge Opillu school right there at about 3 to 4 feet of water. See that? All Opillu. Okay, this is the new Rockaway Spinner. This is a line layering type of system, and the reel floats really easy going up and down, and I was very impressed by the revolutions you get on a simple spin. Okay, I'm back. Late start today, so going to use what my friend Joe Olivas in Kauai sent me. Kaku lures, the one that's named after him. This is called Papa Joe. So we're gonna try this one out. Okay, I gotta show you guys something. A lot of people make the mistake of putting the trebles into the guides. Now, if you wanna do this, you're gonna scratch up the inside of your guides here, and your line will scratch that, and your line will start fraying. That's wrong. So if you got a hook holder at the base of the rod, that's better. Or in this case, I use this portable bell keeper. See right here? So what I do is I put the trebles to the bottom part of that keeper, see? And that way it saves the wear and tear on your line. Okay, channel's right here. See what we can do. Nice toss. Okay.